Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to do an Aldi grocery haul to show you guys what I have. We are a family of 5, so 3 little kids, and here's kind of everything I got. I didn't get too much stuff. Alright, so we'll start with some of the produce. It's kind of split up, but we have our berries, usual strawberry, raspberries, and blueberries, along with mushrooms. And then you guys know I got these last time, but we really like these, so I got these again. And then we got some tuna for our favorite tuna recipe. And then you guys know, of course, these are always a staple. My son asked for these this time, the chocolate bears. And then we tried these before. I think I showed them to you guys, but we really like these, so I like to try to get them every few weeks for them. And then we got some eggs. And then for meat, I got the stew meat, the beef one. And then we also got some salmon. And then chicken nuggets for the kids, as well as some turkey sticks for snacks. And then for just quick dessert, we have butter cookies. These are my husband's favorite. And then for more produce, we have oranges, avocados, as well as some pears, and then bananas, grapes. And then for drinks, we usually don't get too many drinks, you guys know, but we got orange juice this time and strawberry kefir, which we always get for the kiddos. But yeah, I just wanted to quick show you guys a really quick video. Here's everything that we got, and this will probably last us for about a week, I want to say. Some things will probably go a lot faster, like the berries, but hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much to those of you who have been subscribing to my channel and watching the videos. I hope you guys enjoy them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!